Hey guys, I'm here with a new DVD update for today, so here it is. Michael Jackson, The Life of an Icon. Yes, I know it says rental, but I bought this. Here's the front, here's the back. A truly remarkable film. I'm sorry that you can't see this, it's pretty dark in the room. As stated by his mother, Catherine. I'm not going to go over the special features. A lot of people didn't like this movie, and I don't know why, but I'll give it a shot. Here's the disc. Oh, come on. So yeah, Michael Jackson, The Life of an Icon. Well, there's my DVD update for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.